Hello everyone, welcome to SM Education Services. In this particular video, we are going to talk about so many important things. The notification that has come from All India for round 2, DNB round 2, how the DNB round 2 counseling is supposed to happen and how important it is. We are going to talk about how you should do the choice filling and the important dates, and about Bihar and Andhra Pradesh state counseling. So let's get started. Right now you can see the mcc.nic.in website is open on my screen. So let's open PG Medical Counseling. It will take you to the home page of PG Medical Counseling, and you can see orange bar on the top side where you have counseling schedule. You can click on counseling schedule to download the PDF. Let's download it. And yeah, so this is the counseling schedule for round 2 online counseling allotment process for NEET PG 50% all India seats and deemed central universities, AFMC diploma seats and MDS. So first thing is registration. So registration is going to start from 3rd of June. It will go on until 9th of June, and the payment can be done until 9th of June. Okay, so who requires to do registration? Those candidates who have taken participation in the first round of All India, they don't need to do the registration once again because they have done registration. The candidate who had participated for only All India seats, okay, All India quota seat, and they want to participate for deemed universities also, they need to do the payment of 2 lakhs of security deposit. Okay, and those candidates who couldn't participate in the first round, they can go ahead and freshly do the registration for All India or deemed or both, and depending on that they need to pay the security deposit and the registration fee. So once the registration is done, now it comes for the choice filling. Choice filling will be started from 4th of June and it will go on until 9th of June. So choice filling is the most important part of any counseling. You need to keep in mind that second round is the last round for All India choice filling. Okay, so in the choice filling, those who had done the choice filling in the round 1 and got a seat, want to upgrade it, or couldn't get the seat, want to try their chances again, then they will be having the choice filling available which they had done in round 1. They can go ahead and edit means add, remove, delete or rearrange, or they have option to refresh it or reset it so that they can do the choice filling freshly. Okay, so once you do the choice filling, the processing of seat allotment, the process that runs on the server after all the choice filling is done for the seat allotment will be happening behind the scene between 10th and 11th. On 12th you will get the result declared, and the reporting will be happening between starting from 12th to 18th of June. The seat which couldn't be which remained vacant after the second round, the All India seats only, they need to be transferred back to the state. Transfer of non-reporting or non-joining. You can see the point number 2 in serial number. Non-reporting or non-joining or vacant seats of 50% All India PG quota seat will be transferred back to state quota on 18th of June. So you have to be very careful while doing choice filling for All India round 2 because there are so many colleges and you need to know the how good particular college is for particular branch, how good is the patient flow. You need to compare it so that you can create a preference list, which one should be above and which one should be put on below particular college. You need to keep in mind about bond. If you break the bond, how much is the penalty amount? For some states penalty amount is less, so doesn't matter, you can go ahead with those, and you can break the bond, you have to pay less. But for some states the amount of penalty is very high. For Uttarakhand it's 2.5 CR. So you need to keep in mind If you have future plans, accordingly you need to put your choice filling, or you can skip the state. For Assam, the bond is of 10 years. So these all things you need to keep in mind and do the choice filling accordingly for your branch that you prefer, or your and if you have any kind of like doubt, then you can call us to the number given in the description. There are two numbers, you can call on any of the number. Now coming to the deemed DNB counseling. Okay, DNB round 2 counseling is going to be very important, and it's going to be the most important round for DNB, the round 2. Why it's going to be most important round? In round 2 there will be around 1000 seats, less than 1000 or more than 1000, round about 1000 seats will be added for the counseling. And as per my analysis, I've seen that there are around about 1000 students are such a student who have got the seat in All India or a state counseling. They have booked a seat in DNB also, but they can't join at both the places. They need to leave one seat, either DNB or MSMD. And their majority of candidates are those who have good rank, less than 12,000, 15,000. I think 7 to 800 are such candidates who have good rank, and they got seat in All India and state counseling, either All India state counseling as well as DNB. So most of the student coming in under that category, those who have blocked the seat, they will definitely going to take MSMD seats, most of them. So you can expect 1000 seats, more than at least 1000 seats will be rejected, and those seats will be added up in round 2. Those rejected seat, and 1000 seats will be added up, a fresh entry. Okay, so you will be having plenty of seats, good seats, new entry as well as the rejected ones. So in round 2 is going to be very good. No new registration will be done, so you don't have any new competitor coming in for round 2. The number of candidates will be same, and those candidates who get a seat in round 1, all India counseling or state counseling, they won't be eligible to participate in a state round. Okay, so the number of candidates will be less. For round 2, and the number of seats will be more. You need to understand this calculation. So your chances is very high to get seat in round 2 and round 3. So analyze all the colleges, all the hospitals, and new entries also, because there will be so many new entries in round 2. Some of the some of the hospital that couldn't participate in round 1, which had participated in 2019, they will also make their entry in 2020. Okay, so you need to analyze all the hospitals based on the academics, based on academics, based on bond, based on patient flow, based on how good hospital is for particular branch, and stipend amount, definitely passing ratio. So there are many factors. I had given instruction, and I have given the list of top hospitals in other videos. You can go through and you can search for the videos in the playlist for DNB. If you have any kind of doubt for DNB counseling regarding information about particular hospital, so we have paid service also available with us to help you through end-to-end counseling process, and we will be supporting you with all the information, with all the guidance, until you get seat allotted of your desired branch. Okay, now coming to state counseling. So most of the state counseling round 1 is done, except those two states, Bihar and Andhra Pradesh. For these two states, we are expecting soon that they will be aligned with other states, and they will be completing their all the counseling processes. The case is in court for state Bihar and Andhra Pradesh. They have released their government quota seat matrix and merit list, but the choice filling has not started yet, and for B category everything is pending. So expecting that it will be released soon, and they will those two states will be promoting them to align with other states, so that they come in sync with other state, and they will be going parallelly for round 2 state counseling. Now coming to rejection of All India. So it's 1st June, and I don't think that it will be further increased or delayed, because starting from 3rd June registration is going to start for round 2. So it should be the last date for rejection, whichever had been given in the notification. So this is pretty much everything I had wanted to cover in this particular video. If you have any doubt or you want any kind of help, you are not able to decide, or you feel nervous, not confident that you will get seat, you can talk to us. Our counselor will help you in guiding. They will provide you options, what options are available to you within your budget, if you're going for private or in government, how you should do the choice filling, so that you get the best result. See, choice filling is a mechanism, and when you understand the mechanism, we have the knowledge about it, when you have the knowledge about all the inputs, all the hospitals, college, and all the factors, then you can definitely get the best result out of it. So that's how we will help you. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, like it, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell button, so that you get notification about the further videos, and we will try to help your queries. We will try to provide the best information, and we will be coming live also soon. Okay, so until then, thanks for watching. Goodbye.